How to delete your YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can delete your YouTube channel. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete our YouTube channel, you can do this process from your web browser, from your Windows or Mac, but it is also possible to do it from a mobile browser as long as you can request a desktop site. So in my case, I'll just open up any of the browser, which is going to be Google, of course, and once I do that, in the search box you just want to go to studio.youtube.com. So go to your channel page, which means your studio or your dashboard, that is studio.youtube.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link in the description box. Once you go to studio.com, if you don't see this kind of interface, then you can tap on the three dots and then request a desktop site. Requesting a desktop site will turn this mobile web page into a desktop version of the web page. Now, assuming that you are already logged into your Google account over here, on a PC as well, you will see all this type of options, but from the bottom of the screen you'll find this little gear icon, which is a settings icon. So as you can see over here, so just go ahead and tap on the little gear icon. Once you tap on the gear icon, again you'll find the option called general and you'll find the option called channel. So you just want to go to the option called channel over here, and once you go to the channel option, on the right hand side you can see advanced settings. By default you're going to be under basic info, so you have to switch to advanced settings. Now under advanced settings, right over here you'll see multiple options, but you have to scroll under advanced settings, and at the bottom you'll find this little button or this label called remove YouTube content. So just tap on remove YouTube content and it will take you to a new page. It may ask you to verify with your password first of all, so go ahead and then do that respectively. Now you have two options, whether you want to hide your channel or whether you want to permanently delete your content. So if you want to hide it, that's fine, but if you want to delete it, then just tap on the drop down menu, and here you will see what things are going to get deleted. Now the following thing will be deleted: your playlist, your subscription, your videos that you made, your comments, your replies and thumbs up and comments, your YouTube gift settings, your search and watch history. So just make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. And here you can also see any of the paid subscriptions that you have, such as YouTube Premium, will also be deleted. And after you do that, you have to tap on the delete my content from the bottom right corner of the screen. Now I'm not going to do that, but what you have to do is, after this step, you have to enter your email address right over here. Once you enter your email address, you have to open up your email address and confirm the deletion process by tapping on the delete my content button. And that's all it takes to delete your YouTube channel. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.